Updating your email address on Discord is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Open Discord. Launch the Discord application on your device or visit the Discord website and log into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, locate the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the user settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to My Account. In the user settings menu, find and select the My Account tab. This section contains your account information, including your current email address. Step 4. Change email address. Look for the option to change your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. You may be prompted to enter your password for security verification. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, check your inbox for a confirmation email from Discord. Click the confirmation link in the email to finalize the update. Make sure to keep your email address updated to maintain account security and receive important notifications.